Hello, hello. Then, this is Carla Denis Favela Colin, and today we're going to talk about be going to. This is going to be a very pretty fast video. Then, when do we use be going to? For plans for the future. Everything we plan for the future is going to be written with this form. Then, like the example here, she's going to have breakfast tomorrow. She already have the plan. Then maybe we can write she's going to have breakfast tomorrow at 10 o'clock. Or for intentions for the future, something you already plan. I am going to be a dancer. How do I know that is an intention for the future? Because I'm doing everything to be a dancer. I'm going to gym classes, I'm going to dance class, whatever. Then everything that is planned is going to be written with going to be. Next example. Predictable events. The university team is going to win the race. How do I know? Because I saw them training. I'm watching now how the other team is going slower, things like that. Then we have information to know this is a fact. Then, what are the words of time or adverbs of time we use with be going to? Intend. I intend to study abroad next year. Plan. We are planning to visit our grandparents this summer. Tomorrow. I will clean my room later. Oh, I wrote tomorrow instead of later. The next week. She will start her new job next week. And later. Oh, I mixed them. Sorry. He will finish his homework later. Why I wrote tonight there? Well, then you have two more. You have tonight and you have next month or next year. Okay, okay. And then how do we conjugate these? We're going to use the verb be first in present tense. I am, you are, she is, he is, we are. And then we're going to write going in all of the persons and then the verb in infinitive. I am going to work. And remember, with he, she, and it, we write is. He is going to work, she is going to work, it is going to work. For negative, we're going to add not after the verb be. I am not going to work. He is not going to work. Or you can say also he isn't going to work. And interrogative is going to work just like we do with the present continuous, but with an infinitive at the end. Then we write first the verb be, the person going, and then the verb in infinitive. Am I going to work? Is he going to work? Then this is pretty easy. You can watch it as many times you need. Then how do we form a sentence? Just like we do in every tense. First the person, then my verb be could be am, is, or are, depending on the person. Going, my verb in infinitive, and more information. I am going to work for his mom. She is going to swim for a competition. Gina and Rose are going to go to high school. Easy peasy. The negative, we just add the not. Then we have the person, the verb be in negative, am not, isn't, or aren't, going, and the verb in infinitive plus more information. I'm not going to work for his mom. She isn't going to swim for a competition. Gina and Rose aren't going to work to high school. Aren't going to work. Aren't going to go. I wrote the wrong verb. I'm sorry. And I think I did the same in the next one. Yes, I did the same. Then uh, for interrogative, we're going to write the verb be at the beginning, just like am, is, or are, then the person, going, and then our verb in infinitive plus more information. Am I going to work for his mom? Is she going to swim for a competition? Are Gina and Rose going to work at high school? Then I need to change this at high school because I supposed to work to write to go. Then I'm sorry for that. Then I hope, guys, this helps you. I know it was a very short video, but it is intended to help you with the writing of the grammar. Then, bye bye.